Howdy you guys, Austin. Welcome to the new channel. This little video is going to be a vlog of us going to Junkyard, looking for parts for our 1992 GMC Serra LS swap that we built on the main channel, which is Poor Man's Speed Shop. If you're new, go check that channel out and subscribe to that channel. See you guys next time. Let's get into the video. Hey you guys, Poor Man's Speed Shop here. We're getting ready to head to Paul's Auto Yard, which is our local scrap yard, pull apart, whatever, to pick up parts for my red 404 Outback. It needs, one second, I'm kind of wheezy today. That's why you're on a tripod and I'm not holding you. Don't want to fucking, sorry, I don't want to ear rape you guys with my heavy breathing. So we gotta go pick up a fan shroud and a fuel tank thing. Fuel tank, like rubber hose, filler hose for that truck, so that way the truck's done and I can start driving it again. Out the road, I think 3 years now. First, the transmission took a big ass kaput when me and Dad were going to town one day, and it just was not happy no more. Which was it was the original transmission. It was a 700R4, which I love those transmissions. Those transmissions are killer. Just between the engine eating oil like it was nothing, and transmission, I decided, why don't we upgrade to an LS? And I did that on a pretty tight budget, and it turned out fine. A couple things finished up, and then that truck will be back on the road. I love that car. I love that car. You don't see no flex tape on it, do you? Yeah, I thought so. Bring us back around the junkyard. No flex tape on a hot rod. Ain't that kind of cool? Alright, you guys, we're at our favorite junkyard here, Paul's Auto Yard. Biggest parts. Now, I want to say something. I could be one of them YouTubers, which I'm not gonna say his name, rhymes with Dreamer, that brings you just random shorts that like from the past. But if one short don't do good, you don't repost the second time the same video. Nobody wants to see the video twice. So yeah, and don't be a dreamer. Get in here and get our parts. Alright, you guys, got Dad wheel in the wheelbarrow. Shop, this place used to be set up a lot better. It used to have better selections of engines, but since everybody's learned about it,
They made it like this. Unless you're here right when they put the car out here.
but it is a good place. You can find a 6.0 here. You can get it for like 200 bucks outdoors with everything. So me and Dad are discussing is we just got a call from him and our machine shop we use, and Dad was like, they'll probably found a crack in the head on my LTZ head. I just hope not. That's a lot of money down the drain. Somebody's smoking a cigar or something. Smell fruity smell. Might even be vaping. All right, so we got around that Rex to the yard. Bunches of late model crap. We got a Camaro that's been sitting here forever, which is kind of sad to see it here, but transfer case. If anybody needs a transfer case, need a brake? You need a brake? Here's a dash rod.
Yeah, electric motor for a transfer case laying in here anywhere? There was one laying in here.
See the upper out to the...
Yep, it's right here.
So these Suburbans, you guys, these things actually share all the same front end components, and I think even front doors as a Chevy truck. I don't know, you need one for your shit, don't you?
Yeah.
Here, hand it to me.
Huh?
Hand it to me. Somebody hit it there. Let's rehide
I
it.
hit it there.
Oh, you hit it there? Put it right there.
I said, I told you to hit it.
I'm right, right?
That's right.
The doors, front doors off these will work on a regular truck, right?
I wouldn't swear to that. I mean,
But the front clip is identical. And there's the bottom part to a radiator shroud, but I don't see the top part.
There's a lane in the back of it?
No, yeah, don't go back there digging.
What?
I busted a bunch of them fucking fluorescent lights back there. Transfer case probably out of it. That's kind of neat. Kind of a two-door coupe. Is it a stick? Nope, automatic. But this is a really neat car. I wouldn't mind having something like this. It's kind of cool. Got duals on it, and this is probably a badass little car. It'd be better if it's a stick, but anymore finding a fucking car with a stick is rare.
Just find a Santa Fe here. 26 feet up.
You want a Jag? Really cool Jag. Kind of cool Jag. Not really cool.
Or is that a Nissan or a Hyundai?
That is a Ford, I believe. Yeah, Ford Motor Car Company. Yep, Ford. Some of them are, I think that's a V8. That's like a 4.6 or whatever the modular V8s are. Astro van. These are really cool. Dad's had a bunch of them in his life. Another one. No, it's not. And it's not in the bed either. Yeah, good 700 Ford.
Two-wheel drive too.
Yeah, Malibu.
Yeah, I got one for the Malibu. But it's two-wheel drive 700 Ford. So.
You guys are gonna.
But listen, if you buy one out of a car here, it don't make sense. If you buy one out of a car, it's cheaper than if you buy a two-wheel drive out of a truck. As long as it's in a truck, they charge you it's like $75 more. So it don't matter if it's two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. If it's out of a truck, they want $75 more.
Well, that's 10, long bed, puke, nope. Short bed would have been cool. They sold my fucking rims. I knew they would. This car right here, this van right here, used to have a set of like aluminum wheels on it with the fat ones on the back, the skinny on the front. And they sold them. Of course they did. Really wouldn't have fit anything I had anyway. Old coupe, you guys have seen a ton on the channel over there. Ford truck. This is the same place where we got Dad's 408. Well, 400, but now it's 408. So Eclipse, those are really cool cars. You're gonna import. I like these. I dig these little Magnums. They're cool as hell, especially with a Hemi. I dig them. I like them. They're cool. Dodge didn't lose its styling, really. Chevy and Ford did. Like, you look at a newer Chevy truck, you look at a Dodge, the Dodge still looks cool as hell, and Chevy looks ugly as hell. Same with Ford. Another Ford, Cadillac with dual exhaust. Dodges, no Chevrolets. Dodges. Dad used to work here years ago. Brad's in. You were a parts puller, weren't you? Yeah. Back when I was just a kid. Another third gen Camaro over there. You can always spot it'll be a Chevy. Kind of square and boxed in, and that's what we got down here is a square boxed in front end. It's a Chevrolet. Another little cool Nissan two-door. That's neat. 80s Chrysler. Some junk. Nobody cares about Dodge Caravans. They belong in a scrapyard. I love these little Dakotas. They're badass. Got it. Busted up at all? Well, pluck. Got a top here, there's a bottom up there in the white car. Oh damn guys, this is a shame. This is a short bed, 4x4. Oh, this makes me sick. Let's see here. Let's go to our date code, which is somewhere in here. Don't make a liar out of me. All right, there. 96. Shit like this don't belong in a scrapyard. Anything short bed don't. The junk shit is pissing me off. Sick. It's a 96. Top part's bolted in, the bottom part's all busted and gone.
So it had a good top on it?
Yep, that's what I was saying. I think I showed this before. Really quick before I move on. Me and Dad actually took the seats out of it. I want to come here and get the shifter out of it, which I probably will here soon. I'd like to have the column out, but the column's not bent. But yeah, she was hit hard. Look, man, rolled. Probably gonna get the shifter and the column out of it just to go to parts stash. Mustang. I love these cars. These cars are badass. I have them, they're notorious for rusting though, like this one is. Buick. Yep. Notorious for rusting. Every car's notorious for rusting. Big land yacht. Let's see here. Ford Ranger. A buddy of mine, he loves these fucking Ford Rangers. Kind of a cool car, but 3,800 in it. 91 Buick LeSabre. Front axle still in that truck. So, see that blue truck right there? I'm gonna come steal the axles here in a couple months when we get our 3 other trucks home, our square bodies. I think we're gonna turn one into the Fall Guy truck from the Fall Guy TV series. Piece of crap. Little piece of crap, freaking whatever those are called, electric cars. See, right where those belong. Hate those cars. Now, there's no sense in keeping these cars unless it's a stick. I think some of them came with a turbo. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if they're an automatic, then they belong here. And this is automatic. Oh, no, it's not. Ooh, it's a stick. Ooh, that's badass. This does not belong here. This is one of the ones that actually belongs to be on the road. Stick. That's just the only reason why it belongs on the road, because it's stick. Otherwise, if you just have a piece of crap Chrysler 300 minivan that belongs to Junkyard, there's no need in trying to save them. They're not worth anything unless they're a stick. If they're a stick, they're still cool. And they deserve to be used. Anything that's a stick deserves to be stayed. Find it.
Not.
Let's go shot it.
Are you crying?
Yeah. This ain't Jacob's old one, is it? His dad's? My buddy's dad passed away. My buddy's dad passed away, had one of these. And kind of looks like his. Is it 4x4 or 2-wheel drive? This was 2-wheel drive, I think. Yeah. This might be my buddy's dad's old one. Yep, 2-wheel drive. We'll shroud out of it. And I'm gonna lay on the ground and pull the hook off of it. Oh god, it's gonna suck. And it's got some hella rims on it. It's got LS 5.3. 5.3. Ooh. So, you guys, I'm gonna have one of these one day. Here real soon. This is a GT Mustang 94 to 99. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a stick. Oh, it's a beast. Hey you guys, so this is gonna be the end to the Junkyard video. We went and pulled some cars today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look what I got. Brand new Dorman. Back at my face on this camera. Part number 38 bucks, brand new, and it beats having the rest of my face on that shit. So I'd rather just buy it new and call it. So if you're new here, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the walk around Junkyard video, subscribe. Go over to our main channel, Poor Man Speed Shop. Subscribe there if you're new. But old hot rods, shit like that. Next time, probably be doing a reaction or something like that. Maybe shooting some guns. Hell, I don't know. It's whatever comes our way first. See you guys next time. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget, don't be a dreamer. Be a doer. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.